I have done 27 particle tests on bags to date. How about we bump that number up to 30? So for this video, we're going to do 3 new bags. Here is what a Kenmore Style O looks like, at least the collar. You've seen this in a previous video. And here is the bag that goes along with it. And the bag clearly says, the outer bag that is, 99.97% and 0.3 microns. To me, that indicates H11. So we'll find out how that one will test. And how about we do, see, I got this on a thrift store run, this type of bag. And here's the collar for this. And Hoover fans will recognize this guy that's so long I can hardly fit it into the screen. Type Q, genuine, full HEPA. And its bag, well, box, says 99.97 and down to 0.3 microns. So this should also test out at, say, H11 level. And last, I have never touched one of these to date. A genuine Hoover HEPA bag. Boy, that thing is huge, isn't it? That thing's really big. And it says, even on the bag itself, 99.97 down to 0.3 microns. And let's see, on the plastic bag, yep, there it is right there. It repeats it. So that means this also has to be H11 standard. Well, let's set up my Kirby G5 testing rig and get started. First thing you'll notice is my HT 9600 particle counter. Got this on eBay. It can be rebranded a wide variety of different names, but this one is just like the generic HT 9600. You see my bag set up here. So I have a Kirby hose feeding that. And then you can see that my Kirby hose is indeed hooked up to the exhaust port of a G5, now with refurbished bearings. So this pushes out over 100 CFM to the bag. So now let's go ahead and we're going to start out with the Kenmore O bags. That's what's hooked up currently. Well, obviously, when they say 99.97 and 0.3 microns, yep, we're getting good H11 performance. So, great bag. what a nice bag. Great results. Well, isn't that a hoot? These Hoover type Y bags end up testing perfect triple zeros 4 times. That's really amazing. So yeah, you're talking a solid H11 heading towards probably H13. So what a great bag. Well, obviously, all three of these bags are highly recommended. They're not going to be cheap. I found the Q bags and the Y bags, one of my thrift store runs, for a little less than $2 each box/bag. The Kenmore O's I actually ordered recently online, and they might have been something like, best price was around, I think, $22 for a 6-pack. In any case, all of them filter beautifully, and they're definitely all H11, with the surprise of being the genuine Hoover Y. I mean, triple zeros? That's fabulous. That's heading near or at H13. In any case, all these bags will work great. They're all recommended for their respective machines. So hope you enjoyed this really long, boring video, and see you next time.